Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with Friendship Any Day, hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. First off, wanted to share you this beautiful Christmas flower that I got from Trader Joe's. They have the most affordable plants and I love them. This one only blooms during Christmas and I've always wanted one and I'm excited to see the pink blooms as they grow. Got our cute little snowman here to keep us some company, and also wanted to show you this adorable spiral notebook that I brought on my trip. I was so happy that my best friends were able to write me some letters. It was definitely nostalgic of the times when we did slam books, and usually you would bring a notebook or a yearbook to school, and at the end of the year they would write a little message. So comment down below and let me know if you remember that. I regret not having my cousin sign it, but I will be writing some of my most cherished memories from this trip. So there you have it. Now, speaking of letters, I wanted to say a big thank you to my crafty friends that surprised me with some holiday mail, and that's what we're opening up today. My dear crafty friend Corn had given me a heads up and emailed me and said that she had sent me a holiday package. So let's take a look. Thank you so much, Corn. Oh my gosh, here is her signature writing. It says, Merry Christmas, Kara. On the flip side, we have the Nativity. Oh my goodness, she makes the most beautiful, look at that fox. Beautiful cards, and this is an Arctic fox. It looks so cute. I love this texture. She's done some layering and her inking is so pretty. Look at these scallop little edge pieces here that frame our beautiful fox. And let me read this off camera real quick. Real quickly, I just wanted to show you, Corn had hand stitched this oval piece with the message, it's the most wonderful year. That is so gorgeous. And look at the little bow with the little enamel dot that's pink. That is amazing. Thank you so much for this beautiful handmade card. I love it. Now, let's see. Oh, look at the way she's decorated this box. And I've been lucky enough to receive many of these in Happy Mail. She's done really long boxes as well. But I love it. Look at that beautiful swan. And we have a little dangle here with a note. How cool is that? So inside it says to Kara from Corn. That is a super neat idea. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. I saw her do a project share of these beautiful, oh, this is so pretty, slow stitched. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to put it on top of this textured box. You don't see my dry hands. But look at that. Look at the dangle with the bird. She knows how much I love birds. Thank you so much, Corn. I love the colors you picked because these are all my favorite colors. I love the blues and the golds. Look at that beautiful flower and the bird. And it takes a lot of time to unravel some of this fabric. Look at all the stitching with the buttons and then the layering. Oh my gosh, look at these seed beads over here. So much love has gone into this. I just love it. Look at this mini little, oh my gosh, I'm at a loss of words. You know what that is, guys. I love that. That is so cute. And then she put a bead in the middle and then more stitching. I don't know if you see it, but there are many stitches there. That is so pretty. I'm just going to flip it over. And on the back side, we have this nice clean back. And how pretty is this? This would make a wonderful accessory on a tote bag, on a journal. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And it can also be a decorative piece that I'm definitely going to put on a wall. I might even frame it, to be honest. It's so pretty. That is so precious. Thank you so much for this beautiful handmade gift. That is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Corn. I love it. I love it so much. That is the best. I love handmade gifts, especially, oh my gosh, That's amazing. All right. Now, Corin has also sent some happy mail to my daughter Emmy, but I'm not going to be opening it up right now. I want Emma to be able to open it up when she gets up. It's the weekend. So we have a beautiful stamp here. Love that. And then a forever stamp as well. How cute is that? So we're going to put that aside. The next happy mail is from Kim's Inspired Life. So thank you so much. Her channel is really fun. I love it when she does her vlogs. I love watching it. And I also love seeing her project shares. She's an amazing paper crafter. And let's see what she made. Oh, it looks like this is a Thanksgiving card. And I love it. Look at the pumpkin shaped card. It's a pocket card. It says live simply, give generously. And look at this. It looks like it might have been painted. It's a textured pumpkin. Kim, this is so nice. Thank you so much. And we have this cute guy. Oh, I love this stuff. So cute. And then what's this? We have a pocket and it says for one of a kind friend. And that is so sweet. I can include that in a happy mail if I wanted to. Oh, and I like these. She's shared a couple of them. And this is nice for journaling. You have like a house and it's in my favorite color. Thank you, Kim. And then we got a donut. And I think this might be her letter. But we'll check. And it says by Kimberly Cochran. So thank you so much. I love it. And that is so neat. How cool is that? That is fun. So if you're looking for ideas for flat mail, this is one of them. That's so cool. She was able to include so many things. And let me read the letter real quick. Super sweet. It says, happy Thanksgiving, friend. May your fall days be cozy, your heart be full, and your craft table overflowing with inspiration. Hugs, Kim. I love it. Thank you so much, Kim. That is so super thoughtful. And then let's see. The next one is from Creating with Jovi. And you guys know Jovi is an amazing journal maker. She is also the hostess of the Mostest. This whole year, she has filled it with a lot of collaborations. And I'm so thankful that she was able to invite me and I was able to join. I just wanted to show you the stamps. So when I get mail, I actually cut out these stamps and put it in my stamp, oopsie, little journal. So I'm going to flip it over. Let's take a look and see what Jovi sent. Oh, a holiday mail, handmade. Oh my gosh. It says greetings. I love that. And inside, oh, I love it. It says, Dear Kara, warmest thoughts and best wishes for a Christmas that's merry and bright. Merry Christmas, Jovi. But take a look at this card. Another amazing way to use your scraps and make a card. And there's her maker's mark. Handmade by Creating with Jovi. I love her channel. And then she has given me a beautiful little bookmark or floating journal card. And I love the way you compose this. I love the 1920s. And this is perfect. I'm going to add this to my journal. Love all the elements you added there. So you'll have to check out her channel as well. She has a wonderful series where she did with Cindy A. Lewis that featured pockets and 100 Days of Pockets and more. So please make sure to check out her channel. Thank you so much, Jovi. Next one is from Fun Size Crafter. That is Marissa's channel name and Instagram address. I just wanted to show you the adorable, I'm just covering the address, adorable stamp. Look at that. It's Alice in Wonderland. And it's the Queen. We got a candy cane there. And then on the flip side, she had used some beautiful washi tape that says peace on it. I was out of frame. So let's take a look. And Marissa has been so generous with these cards. It takes a lot of time to prepare these. It says Seasons Greetings. Cute candy canes. Oh, I love it. I love the die cuts that she always share for the seasonal cards because like I said, I have no patience. And it says, Hi Clarissa, enjoy all the treats. Happy holidays, hugs. Marissa, and it's AKA Fun Size Crafter. How cute. Let's take a look at the beautiful die cuts. There's one that says Jolly, Merry, and this will be great for December daily, which I'm not going to be able to make, but I'm going to work on a holiday greeting card journal like I did before. And if you missed it, I'll try and link it and show you what I did previously. How cute is this with the Mickey Mouse ears on the snowflakes? And then we got our snowman. Oh, that's so cute. How fun is that? And then we got our little Santa Claus one. And then it says, ho, 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 and joy. Super adorable. Thank you so much, Marissa. Last but not least, actually, no, there are two more. One is a mystery. I'm not sure who it's from. But this next one comes again from my dear crafty friend, FP Handmade, which is Felicia's channel. And wanted to show you the beautiful stamps that were included. We have the Black Heritage stamp here, and then we have the bus. I thought that was really cool. So I'm going to put this again in my little stamp journal. Okay, and she is an amazing card maker, so I'm excited to see what she sent. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love poinsettias, and again, the patience with all these layering and cutting and piecing, but look at the base too. I love the way that die looks. There are some enamel dots that look like mint, peppermint candy, and then you have the candy cane. I love this. On the back side, we have her maker's mark, and then inside we have our message. That is so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Felicia. What a beautiful holiday card. Now let's open up. I received a random Amazon gift, and I'm not sure who it's from. So if you guys know that you sent it, please comment down below. I would love to give a proper thank you to whoever might have sent this. So I'm not sure what's in here. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to get my scissors. Let's see what this surprise package is. Oh my goodness. Oh, how fun. Woodland Stories Ephemera, and it's by Little Birdie. So let's open it up and see what they are. Well, whoever sent this definitely knows that I love flowers and florals. So thank you so much. We have banners. We have this cute little ephemera with the birds. Let me show you the rest. I'm just gonna slide that off so you can see what came in this packet. Oh my gosh, there is quite a few. We got tags. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness, there's another bird hiding there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. How pretty is that? And this would make a beautiful kind of a card, like topper, like how Felicia did. That would look really pretty if it was layered. So I'll have to work on that, or on a journal card. But here are a few more of the beautiful pieces. Here is a beautiful robin. It looks like eucalyptus leaves, and then a little bit larger little birdies. But how sweet is that? You guys are so sweet and thoughtful. Thank you very much. Please comment below, really, who sent this. I would love to know and be able to thank you properly. But know that I got it, and thank you very much. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. A big thank you again to all my super thoughtful and super sweet crafty friends for sending this amazing mail. I know it takes a lot of time to prepare this and mail it out, so I truly appreciate it. I am so late at sending out mail as well, so you may likely get it later and closer to the New Year's. But I stay tuned for more shares from my trip and some of my hauls that I was able to buy some items that I thought you guys would appreciate. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, have a look-see at my December daily Amazon journal where I did some journaling. and using greeting cards as my journal cards for that December daily. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you again next time. Bye.